Most people still don't realize this, so let me just say it plain. The Federal Reserve is not federal. It's not part of the US government. It's a privately owned central bank controlled by the exact same commercial banks that profit the most when you're buried in debt and barely staying afloat. Who owns shares in the Fed? JP Morgan Chase, Citibank, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs. These are not public servants. They're for-profit institutions with seats at the table collecting dividends and helping steer the Fed's policies in their own favor. Between 2020 and 2022, the Federal Reserve printed over $4 trillion and dumped it into the economy. And that caused the exact same inflation they're now pretending to fight. What was their solution? To jack up interest rates at the fastest pace in decades. Just look at this chart. They're raising interest rates over 5 percentage points in barely a year. It's the fastest tightening cycle in modern history. And guess what? You're here. Now take a look at this chart of JP Morgan's profits during that exact same time period. Their earnings skyrocketed, tens of billions in net income. And that's not a coincidence. That's how the system works. When the Fed raises rates, banks immediately raise what they charge you on mortgages, credit cards, and auto loans. But they delay or barely touch what they pay you in savings. That widening the gap between what they earn and what they give back, that's called net interest margin, and that's where banks print profit. So as you're getting crushed by rising payments, they're pocketing the spread. And while you're getting priced out of home ownership, guess who's buying up homes by the thousands? Hedge funds and institutional investors. They've got cash. They've got fixed rate financing they locked in years ago. They're not affected by rate hikes like you are. In fact, they want rates high because it keeps regular buyers on the sidelines, leaving more inventory for them. So let's be real. This isn't monetary policy. It's engineered wealth transfer. A rigged system that bleeds the middle class while fattening the very institutions that helped cause the crisis in the first place. So what do? You stop playing defense. You stop waiting for rates to drop. You stop hoping for the game to be fair because it never was. You use the same tools they do. You leverage, you buy smart, you invest in income producing assets now while everyone else is frozen. This is how you flip the trap. The system is rigged, but I've helped people win inside it for years. Follow me, I'll show you exactly how to fight back, build wealth, and get free.